Are you someone who can be described as a restless person? Are you a nervous person? Or are you someone who just loves fun and easy crafts that can predict the future? Today, I'm going to teach you how to fold your very own customizable and amusing fortune-telling cootie catcher. These fortune-telling cootie catchers are helpful to those who are fidgety, suffer from anxiety, or fun to those who just love crafts. I've been making these since elementary school, so I have approximately 10 years under my belt. Today, I'm going to show you the items that you will need to make one, how to make one, and all the different ways you can customize yours. Let's get started. First, we are going to want to retrieve the items needed. To obtain said items, I would suggest visiting your local craft store or general merchandise store. First, you are going to want to purchase paper, any kind of paper that's foldable. Origami paper would work best, but not many have access to this. Cardstock would be nice as it's firm and could hold its shape nicely, but if all you can get your hands on is common printer paper, that's fine, and it will still hold up well. Next, this is optional, but you can purchase decoration items like stickers, glitter, crayons. Next, the tools that you will need are scissors and markers or pens or anything to write with. Now that we have our items, we can start constructing our cootie catcher. First, you're going to want to grab your piece of paper. Make sure your paper is squared. If it's a rectangular piece of paper, to make it square, I would suggest folding it in half diagonally, like so, and then cutting off the piece that is not a part of the fold. When you unfold it, it should be a perfect squared piece of paper. Now, we are going to fold the paper in half, going the other direction, diagonally. And this will create an X fold. We are going to use this X as a guide for our corner tips. We're going to take each corner section and fold it into the middle of the X where the lines converge. Like so. Here's the first corner. The second corner. The third. And the fourth. Now, we're going to turn it upside down and repeat the process, still using the point where all the folds converge. Here's the first corner. The second. The third, and the fourth. You're almost done. Now we're going to flip it over again and fold it in half, and then unfold it and fold it in half the other way. This is to help it take its shape. Now we should be able to easily slip our fingers into the flaps and form our cootie catcher. We should also be able to unfold it and unfold the hidden flaps, which is where our fortunes will be written. Now that we have our basic cootie catcher finished, we can start customizing. You can have creative liberty when it comes to writing your fortunes. You can write silly and funny fortunes, or you can try and write fortunes that are serious and actually predict the future. You can also write positive affirmations to help you feel better, and you can also use your cootie catcher as a way to help you make decisions. You can ask it questions like, what should you eat? What should you do that day? Or what kind of movie or TV show should you watch? Lastly, decorate your fortune teller with any items you bought to decorate. Here is mine. And here is fortunes. Today, I hope I was able to show you how to craft your own fortune teller. I showed you the items you needed, how to fold one, and all the different types of sayings you can write inside of yours.